Hello everyone, welcome to this live today. New York opens, what is it? 2nd of 12th of November 2021. Welcome everyone, happy to have you here. Today we're going to go through dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, oil, whatever you feel like we should go through, we shall go through. If you are new to my channel, welcome very much. The name of the game today is that everyone can chat, but I will prioritize if you are a YouTube member. That costs you $2 a month. It's getting a bit hectic sometimes in the chats, so just making sure that we all are on the same page. And the other thing is, I'm a bit late today, but we're gonna go make it worth anyways, as this is Friday. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. So, yeah, good. Hope that you are refreshed and happy. I just went to a place called Village Market. That's a local shopping center here. A lot of things went down, so if I'm a bit grumpy, I do apologize for being grumpy. Whoop! But I'm just trying to what do you call it? Hype myself up, because a lot of negativity is not good for our trading. So cheers, mate. Cola all the way. Well, I was supposed to take the lights on. There we go. Can we look at pound dollar? Make God, we can. Surely we can. If you have sent message to me in the past 2 hours, I will respond to you. Don't worry. I've seen some messages coming in, but I will. So today I was having a Zoom meeting on A1 Trading. VIP, as I'm a head analyst there. And then I went for another meeting. Came late, and there was no power. So they couldn't pay with card, couldn't pay with M-Pesa, couldn't pay with Airtel, didn't have enough cash. What else can go wrong? Well, the Uber driver was not happy, spent 15 minutes, that's why we are late. And there's been another 15 minutes paying for the parking. And I've never seen so much unprofessionalism in my entire life in one entire day. So I'm sorry, that's what's going on today. So I'm going to bring you professionalism by sticking to my plan. I'm going to go through dollar first, see what we have, and then continue. Okay, good. So we have, which people do we have today? We have Xavier, JT, we have Mikael. Good evening, good morning maybe, good afternoon, good day. So dollar is still high, and we can still continue higher. That is still, who said that in Discord today? Somebody said it. I'm just going to find it. Somebody said it. Sid says, I don't know why DXY looks so creepily bullish to me with RSI and RSI and everything. Sid, stop doing RSI. Yeah, I agree. We're still very high. Pierre, welcome. Gabby, welcome. The other thing to notify on my side of things, if you want to send me your chart, I'll be happy dog every day of the day, every time of the day. If you send me your chart, I will review it, either on the live or later on. So if you feel like that is something you want to do, and I'm not gonna be malicious about it. I'm gonna be respectful. I understand you're coming from one place, you're gonna be better, and that's how we get better. So if you send me your chart, I will improve you, hopefully, in the end, if you take my criticism positively. Australian dollar is at 73 at the weekly target. Okie dokie. Is also at the monthly S1. Can we go up from here, sitting on this support? Yes, sir. We can sure go higher. But what would the reason be? The reason for why we are falling so hard on Aussie is because, one, they took away the target on the short-term bond, the 2-year treasury bond in Australia. That made it fall. There's lack of support there. Then dollar became strong because of high inflation. Now, those are very strong, powerful moves that can go into the market. So if you're looking at pound dollar, we are pretty low at the moment. We have reached the target. I said to my daily setup students yesterday, which I'm going to make a video about later on, a sneak peek of how it is in there. I said, get out, go away, do something else, take the vacation, which I'm going to do this weekend, and enjoy your profits. If you have some. Because you cannot sell this anymore. You still can't buy it anymore. Hello, Jerry from Malaysia. Welcome. Happy to have you here. So, what is happening today? I am going to make a weekly forecast today, I think. And I am going to post it tomorrow, I think. But I will not be able to go through your comments, so I don't know how much I can edit it, if I have time to edit it at all. So please just, if you feel like don't watching it, just go to toilet, go to your computer, put it on, play it through, go to toilet, come back, and then it's already finished, and you have already watched it according to YouTube. So, anyways, hello, James. Hello, Asan. A.S. Sean. This is Prashanth from Singapore. Welcome. I have dollar long trades, but I've been begging for it to retrace. Okay. Greetings from Pakistan. You are very much welcome. So, pound. Who was it? Mikhail. Where do you think it's going to go? Where do you want it to go? Are we going to higher? Are we going to go lower? On the monthly time, we are very early to target, but ish enough, I guess. The weekly, we are almost at target, not as much. So I would say wait for pullback to 134.50, 134, 135, and those are your shorts. If we get dollar bearishness next week, then so be it. If you're thinking higher, you need a full reversal and maybe next week. So we have had a big fall this week, so the next high is pretty high, I would say. Well, there's not only these highs that you want to break above, but it's still very bearish. So if you're wanting to buy this one, since I am adapting to your buys, double bottom, higher high, higher low. Maybe you can get that. If that is a higher high there, that would be great. So you can get it something like that. I think that is the only way to buy it, with a 2 supports, and still going higher. What's up, Dave? Someone says, what's up, Evan? And I'm going to say, what's up? How's my count going? So everyone. I'm trying not to show my account. Whoops. Yeah. I'm trying not to show my account number. Incoming mail. And then we are supposed to go to this one. Oh, we're going back up to profit. So, that is a trade I took yesterday. And I can't see a thing here. Still $250 the account. And I have 7 cents in loss. So that is my small account. And of course, I don't have any setups for today. I don't have any setups for yesterday. As I opened up. And as you can see, there is nothing. There is some sell limits some here and there. But, yep. And yes, I do 0.01 lot because it's a 250 account. I'm not planning to wreck that one. So we shall see if I'm right in the end. Hello, Denise. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are a YouTube member, and I will look at your comments first. if this becomes too crazy and unbearable. It was a bit crazy the other day, so yeah. If you are just tuning in to the market live right now, welcome very much, every single one of you. Today we are hoping for pullbacks on dollar pair so we can sell it next week. We are still hoping for some retracement on the yen so we can go bullish on that one. Still not happening. The stock market is trying to go higher again, so that is all great. The Nasdaq and S&P seems to be like somewhere in between. Not really great there either. And then, yeah, dollar index is still very much high. And the 10-year T-note has been rising this week, is now having a bit of a pause. That is the market recap for today and what we are currently looking at. Hopefully you are going to stay here until the end. Gold. I'm not gonna mention names, but I got fired up, ready to go, in a meeting today where somebody said that they sold 1865. They sold there. First of all, congrats on catching the pinpoint of the top, but you brother, is not the way to trade gold. I got a bit angry, not angry, but I got a bit frustrated about it. I do apologize if it comes across as not positive, but you don't sell there. So that's a lesson to everyone. You don't sell higher highs in a profitable trading system. Unless you can prove to me that selling higher highs on gold is profitable, please come to me. I will happy to talk to you and see what you do that will make you such a profitable, good trader, and why you are selling higher highs. Okay? We're all good on that? Agreed. The next one is 1845, 1835 is levels you can look to buy. No, that's not a trading signal. No, that is not what I'm telling you to do. I'm saying that is what you can look forward to if it fits your trading plan. Okay? If it fits your trading plan. Oil is red today. It is as that is for the daily setups, people. Someone told me that I should give a discount to the daily setups. The question becomes, I have 10 slots left, and it is decreasing every single day. I have 10 slots left until I feel like this is too much. So, if I'm going to have 10 more slots, and I'm going to give a discount to the daily setups, and it's already $30 plus taxes for someone, well, here it is. Harold, I'm not going to mention names, okay? I'm not going to mention names. I'm not here to make you look like a fool. I'm not trying to make you look like something. I'm just mentioning somebody. Mate, I will be happy to tell me how to find higher highs. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, welcome very much, Harold. If you are in the YouTube member community, I will probably most likely not have a meeting with you on Sunday. I will most probably do it on Monday. Okay? Good. So, yeah, if you want the daily setups for $20 a month, yeah, you really need to beg me, I guess. And you have to sign up for like a year. I don't, just joking. But yeah. Anyways, so that is kind of the oil situation here. Those who sell daily setups knows what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the videos. But other than that, that is support. That is M2. That is at the bottom of the range. If, let's see if goes, okay? Just mentioning Something that not going to give you any trade signal whatsoever, but maybe that will happen. We can go to Mr. Dollar. We got lower down to dollar. What did you do here, James? Have you bought or sold? Buys. Yeah, I don't, not yet. Nicht. Nein. Neun. Nicht. Keine. Yeah, those words. Maybe New Zealand Swissy. Maybe there is something here. Maybe there's something there. Maybe. If it breaks this low here, get out of here. But that's all. You guys are silent today. Like, did I do the wrong settings today? We have 134 people here. You should be. Oh, it is. You can only talk if you're a subscriber. Oh, I'm sorry. That's maybe why. Now anyone can talk. Sorry, I didn't mean to. That was not my intention. Now everybody can add their voice. Sorry, I thought everyone could. But anyways, but yeah, you can just subscribe and then unsubscribe again if you really feel like that's bad. But yeah, so we were going to euro, pound. Dollar is not currently in a position to buy or sell. That's why we are kind of jumping over that one today. Euro pound is still in a range, and I have no plans here. Who asked for euro pound? So, the learning curve, the learning here is put up a signal, a trade alert if it passes 85.20 or 85.80. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view until it falls or rises. Okay, that is kind of what I want to see there. I did. Daily setups is what you have access to, Freddy. You don't have Freddy? Well, let's do that. Let's do that on live television then. I thought you had. I was supposed to actually give you access to it. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you access to it, okay? So, Freddy, who is one mentorship student, and I am like, well, I forgot to add you to it, but I'm gonna find you right now, Freddy. Let's see if we can find Freddy in here. Freddy Tread. Is it Freddy Treddy? Is that really you? I don't think it's. Is it Fred Treddy? I don't think that was your. There it is, Freddy Muburu. Sawa. 2 years ago, that's when you joined. And I'm not going to give you the information, but I'm just going to go to enrollment. You have access to the foundation course, technical analysis course, and now you have access to mentorship course, where there's also access to those videos. You are very much welcome, Freddy. And now everyone can see that you have been enrolled. Sorry. Now, Jesus, believe it in Christ. Now everyone can see that you have been enrolled. 0%, Freddy. You are welcome. Have fun with that. Now, don't come and tell me that you don't have access. Okay? Freddy. By the way, I have not mentioned your secret to the group. So, cheers, mate. That is one contribution to that life event of yours. And I hope Freddy is now typing thank you. But we shall see if he says thank you. Hello, William. What is your opinion on New Zealand pairs? We can do New Zealand pairs, as always. Nice. But, yeah. So for those who just joined in, we are looking for dollar bullishness, but it's very high, so we need a pullback. We are looking for yen bearishness, but they are very low. They're not really bullish. So yen bearishness means buying this pairs, New Zealand yens, buying this pair, CAD yen, buying this one. I wanted to buy it here, but I said, well, I need to have a higher low situation. Didn't get it, so. Oh, Freddy says thank you. Anyways, yeah, so go and enjoy the mentorship, Freddy. Hope that you are happy about that. That is costing, is it costing $490? Soon coming up a discount there. I haven't decided of how much and when I'm supposed to give the discount, and for how long I'm going to give the discount, but surely. And for how long the discount, how long that's going to be, if that's for 1 year or if it's just for 6 months. I will think of it at least. Or if it's for a lifetime. I don't think a lifetime is good enough. Okay, good. What is your thoughts on pound cat? Pound cat, by the way, people. So if you are wondering what I'm doing, I'm looking at the chat. I interact with the chat, and I want your questions if you are new. If you are not new and you're wondering what am I looking at, I'm looking at the trend, which is non-existent. I'm looking at higher highs and higher lows if I'm buying, or lower lows and lower highs if I'm selling. And right now I have nothing. So what do I think? I think nothing. And if you're saying that, well, it is a bearish trend, then you should have sells here. If you still think it's a bearish trend, you're then thinking, well, we should have a lower low. Break and retest, support and resistance. Adios, amigos. If it goes higher, you should be the famous word break even. That means stop loss to entry. How do you do that? You go to your broker and you go to whatever you are thinking you're going to do, and you move this SL line here to break even. I'm not going to do that now because that's a bit early. But yeah, that is real account, by the way, and it's my name there, and it was $250 account, $250. But yeah, good. And if you are in my A1 trading group, I think this is the millionth time I got that question today. Yes, the meeting was recorded, and yes, it will be published. Freddy says, thanks, I'm enjoying and learning a lot. Head analyst. Thank you very much. Yeah, also we're still bearish on the Aussie, but you can't sell a lower low, can you? You know, that's kind of where we're going at the moment. So I believe in the end, New Zealand pairs should go higher. I'm just waiting. Pound yen. I think I went through it a couple of minutes ago, but there we go. Somebody said that's a sell. I agree that it is bearish. Yes, congratulations. But ever since that comment was made 4 hours ago, yeah, 5 hours ago, by the way, 4 hours ago, by the way, we have not moved a single pip. Okay, so that's how bearish that was. The reason why I said it's not bearish per se is because if this is a great downtrend, why don't we fall? Okay, maybe lack of patience there, but still, yeah. James, pound Swissy New Zealand yen buys. I would wait. I like it. I literally just did pound yen, Masood, but there we go. In previous stream, you mentioned you don't trade strong currency against a strong currency. Can you give an example of how to identify that? Is there? Did I bookmark that one? No. So we go to currency strength meter, and for the love of God, I cannot remember which one it was. We start with this one and see what this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. So you go to a currency strength meter and you say right now Aussie is strong, pound is strong, and New Zealand is strong. You don't trade those together. On the other side here is that commodities are strong, generally speaking, and weak together. So I know that dollar and yen should be somehow weak or strong together. Right now, yen is a bit stronger, dollar is a bit weaker, but it's marginal. Folko asks about Finviz. That is for stocks. So yeah, I'm not really there. But yeah, can you give it examples? That is examples. Pound, Aussie, New Zealand, CAD, Euro is supposed to be strong together. Yen, dollar, Swiss is supposed to be strong and weak together. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to bookmark that one, by the way, people. I'm going to put a star, and I'm going to put a star, and I'm going to move that to somewhere here. Currency strength meter. So, yeah. What did I take out there? Yeah, and then financial juice, how to trade Forex. How to trade Forex, like the big institutions. Seems like great. Seems like great, a great analysis there. But yeah, great. It says my Uber driver is still underway. Did it not cancel? Did it not finish it? That is so shady. If your driver doesn't end the trip when you're going home and it can just continue riding around. Gee. Whiz. Tell me about stimulus package of Japan. What exactly happens, or what can we expect in such conditions? What happened to dollar when there was stimulus package? It weakens. The currency weakens. Straightforward. Well, yeah. So yeah, strong bearish trend. That's what you can expect. Yeah. When is that? I don't know. I guess someone. Okay, cool. Going back to use the czar, I guess. If you have any questions, please bring them on. We are family. I can't remember what it was, but we are family. What do you want to see JK markets in USD? By the way, what do you want to see? What do you want to see? You are the expert. Only 16 likes today, people. Man, do I need to give out money to get more likes today? You guys are tough. Can we really follow this currency strength meter? I'm not following it. I was just channeling you on the general term where which currencies are strong together and weak together. That was the clue. Okay? That's fine. No, but Xavier, I have given you knowledge, right? I've given you something to think about, right? So, because I've tried to give you value, but if saying that Japan is going to weaken if they try to stimulate more, okay. if I think that we're going to continue dollar bullishness the next week, okay, if it's valuable to you to know that most of the pairs, some of the pairs has reached targets, so you should get out, take a profit, move along, do something else, maybe that's valuable to you. Or to know that right now the buy on USDR is not really great, it didn't continue higher, and maybe there's a sell here and a buy there, and so we shall see where it will go. But it's currently, I don't know, in no man's land. What is the fundamental bias on dollar and why? It's a complex one. But I'm going to show you guys something we go through and I discuss and I explain in great details in the daily setups and mentorship course is this thing. And this is the reason why I think dollar's going to rise. America is doing so great that it is overshooting the current target of 2.5% price stability goal, and unemployment is coming down anytime soon, or it's coming down in the end. I also think that I think this is a bit wild that we're going to be at 3 rate hikes by next year, but I think we are by July next year. But I think that we are on the way. So proposed dollar rate hikes create dollar strength, basically. How do you find the best entry? Let me see. Go to Eivind. Let's do a funny experiment here. Eivindfx. Everyone can see what I watch. I do watch CS. I watch Meet Kevin, and I watch people falling off the roof with snow. So that's always fun, right? Eivindfx. How to enter. I'm not trying to belittle you, by the way. How to find entry. Have I done a video on that? Oh, yeah. 116 minutes there. Okay. Powerful entry strategy. Timing your entries. I can give you the link. I don't know if it's nice for you.
In this video, I'm going to show you some of my secrets to my entries.
Okay. I guess. So yeah, maybe I should promote this video in the chat instead. How to find entries. I don't know if it's good. Tell me, give it a comment if I should take it down or not. But yeah. So there's a couple of videos out there. Interesting. I didn't know. We didn't remember this. And I should probably go through these comments and give them some thumbs up. Who's that guy? Oh, he's cute, bro. He's cute. He's cute. He's a beauty. He's a beauty. So yeah.
To those entries I never take. Very important. Now you can go
Something is very important.
around, look at your reversal pattern at support and resistance, higher high, higher low, all of that. That was actually the sell, but bullish. If it's not, you go back to bed. If it is, you trade for 31 days, that's a month. Okay? But I tend to see that trends happen. Profit.
I'm not giving you all the secrets here, but yeah, have fun with that one. I haven't seen it lately. I literally don't remember making this video. So I literally want you guys to give it a feedback. So maybe I should start pushing it again. But how's the analytics in this video, by the way? Do people watch it? Maybe I should give a better trading. Maybe I should give it a better thing here. But yeah, okay. 30 people average looking at it. Sorry. Could probably redo that video then. But yeah. Estimated revenue, 0. That's how much I make as a YouTube star, YouTube guru, 0. Hello, Amir. Just having fun here. Yeah. So yeah. So maybe I should redo that video again. I don't know if it's redoing it is better, but yeah, maybe. Maybe. All right. Gold is rising. Gold is going higher. Will it go higher? Or will it go lower? I asked Harold yesterday, since he's in the chat. I asked Harold yesterday, do you know? Have you watched me so much that you know what kind of joke I'm gonna tell next? And he says no. So I still have not too much predictability, so that's good. Take a look at New Zealand dollar. We are here. So what do you want me to do, Xavier? What do you want me to do? What? What about it? 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 What can we do here, Xavier? I don't know if Freddy is still here, but Freddy, I expect a full review of my my mentorship within 1 week, though. But yeah. Great. Right now, not right now, but the overall trend. Tja. It's a bit low. Can it start rising from here? Maybe. Hasn't touched that cell. Hasn't touched that cell. And that's probably the next weekly cells. I'm just joking. Oh. I wasn't too far off though there with that one. That's a healthy pullback. This is probably daily. And I didn't do that one. That's probably, yeah. So, yeah. USD yen formed a fourth wave. I don't understand that, Murad. You can tell me it did dingly bangly dungly dangly, and I don't understand what that means. Wave theory is Greek to me. I don't understand. And I can't tell it to someone when I don't understand. I have tried, by the way. But I'm not going to say it's bungus or whatever they do over there in We Trade Waves. I just know that wave theory does not go with my brain. That's what I mean. Yeah, so New Zealand dollar, I think we're going to have a pullback before falling. So if it's pulling back, great. USD yen. I don't know what you see, sir. Who is it? Murad. But that is maybe what you're thinking as a buyer. As a seller, you're like, well, something like that. But, you know, it did that trade plan. Oh, we went higher again. That is a trade plan. That's a target. And I don't know after that. Now I'm just going to see how things is going out. James says, I buy gold miners when gold dips. That's how I play gold. Yeah. So which theory do you follow? Tja. Let me see if I can find another video on that. So say powerful entry strategy. How to time your entries and exits. Okay.
This video, I'm going to show you some of my secrets.
Some of your secrets at least. And I have a video on my so pair points. That's what I use. And then, is there any other else strategy? Oops, that was not the one. I'm not gonna bore everyone with my terrible videos, but yeah, looks like it. The other thing that also have exposed my entire strategy, that I'm telling you what I do, I use. Let's see if I can show it everything in one go. That would probably be better. Seems like I'm showing you some trade. Looks like I'm showing you some real. Looks like I'm showing you some real trades in here. And I didn't know I was showing you my entire. I didn't know I was showing my entire.
It's a sell zone. In that area, I'm looking to sell between the central pivot and.
Okay, that's my account size, my account number.
I know what.
Okay.
But we win $50.
So.
Make profits. It also seems like a lot.
Seems like there's some trades down here as well. Apparently, I'm giving out here, but couldn't remember making that video. But yeah, cool, great. So you have some videos to binge, people, and I probably need to binge them myself to just see if they're how they actually work out. Do you need a strategy before you can execute? Execution versus strategy. 3 minutes. Okay, interesting. So I use this trend strategy, trend reversal, support and resistance, market structure, and then pivot points to get my entries and targets. Good. Okay. What do you think about CAD? Specifically pound CAD. We literally had a discussion about it 2 moments ago, and it's a range. So I don't know where it's gonna go. You have to go now. Have a great day, bro. Have a great day, bro. So if you guys, maybe I shouldn't make like a video or like a playlist for you guys to binge over the weekend. But yeah. So I guess we just have to go into Eivindfx, and then we go in here and then we search for videos. So that's probably the only thing we can do, and then we're search for strategy, entries, targets, something. So yeah, or sort by most popular. You get my entire strategy. You get how to use pivot points. No, trading view, sorry. How to start with $30. I really want to redo that video, even though it has 3,000 views. I think you can do way better. So yeah. Good. Playlists. There's a playlist in here where that's the daily apps. You shouldn't have access to that one. Lives, weekly forecast, fed, my strategy. Probably should add some videos in there. But there's one here. It is how to become a better trader. Here it is how to find a $500 trade before it happens. Support and resistance, when, why, and how to trade. Where is euro dollar going? How to stop over trading. How to find better entries. Long or short yen. How often do you check your charts? How to become confident in your trading. Tia. How to trade like the big banks. I think there's videos out there. I think. But yeah. Kibet, yes, it is. It depends, but if you go to Daily FX, that is, it says here, it was updated 3 p.m. Kenyan time, 03, sorry. So that is 2 hours ago. Today. Okay, donkey. Just want to do one more thing before we jump into things we shouldn't really do. Is Have we got any subscribers on this live today? I don't think so. I'm just. The point is, I don't know if somebody subscribes during my live. I don't hear it. I don't know if it's working or not. That's kind of what I'm trying to get to. But and then the update on this Friday on my account is that I am 0.3 $0.3 in loss. About to go higher on S&P 500. That's the only thing I have open right now. If you go to, I'm not trying to close here. If you go to, was it my FX book or something like that? I can't remember which one it was. There it is. I think this is the one where you can follow the continuation of that. I think it is that one. But anyways. So yeah, you can follow the that one there. So yeah, all great. Give some good prop firms advice, Sahid. I haven't tried them, so I can't really tell you. It's like asking a horse how to bark. I haven't done it yet. So that's pretty funny. Anyways, have a good day. I will make the weekly forecast at some point today. When this video is over, I mean it. When this video is over, please leave your pair you want me to cover in the weekly forecast. There's not gonna be anything on Sunday. So if you want anything to be covered for the next week, leave it in the comments of this video whenever this is done, and I will review the comments after the video is done. So it will take you a couple 2 minutes. But hey, it is there, okay? Have a good day, and if you don't measure your pair, I will probably not do it. So, it costs you nothing, costs me nothing, but I will have to spend a lot of time on it. Have a good day. Boom!